What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day before race day. So right now we are actually getting ready to, well, not really getting ready to, but we are prepping ourselves to leave for Sacramento, stay the night in a hotel and get ready for tomorrow's race day. So right now, I am actually going to be heading to my buddy Jose's house with my cousin's car here. We're gonna go pick up the trailer. Unfortunately, we're gonna throw my car in the trailer and not drive it like I normally do because I didn't have time to do the exhaust system. So I'm not trying to drive it open down pipe, especially in California. So I'm also gonna take you guys along with us today. We're gonna go to Ricky's daughter's birthday. We're gonna be picking up Ricky's car because I'm driving his car. Daniel's gonna trailer my car. And a few of the other guys are also gonna mount with us north. So yeah, let's go pick up the trailer. Out here at the homie's house, just got the ball hitch from him because his trailer actually required the much bigger ball. That guy right there, and he uses mine because he's using his truck to do some side work today. So I'm gonna go ahead and just back this up real quick, load up the trailer. Load up the trailer, boy. Hey, you guys have too many cars.
No, we don't have enough.
Not enough?
Yeah, no.
The backup camera came in clutch though. You look at that, first shot, right? If you guys don't know, this is my buddy Jose. If you guys remember him back on the channel like a lot of years ago, we had a black CRX that we literally took all around the valley, the bay. Okay. Bro, we went racing everywhere. I'll put a little link on the top right here for you guys to check out the good old days with me and the twins. Actually, he's a twin. That's Jose, his brother Jesus. They have two CRXs, pretty much identical. Yep. Except he's top mount your ram horn. Yep. And then we got Eddie in the back over there. We used to mob back in the days. If you guys seen Danny Duke's Turbo EG on the dyno, that was the group that we were mobbing with. But you know, life goes on, and we're back in the racing game, and we're trying to get back him. We're trying to get him back in the program as well too. And this guy, you know what I'm saying? He got some cars back there that they're working on, but you know, maybe when they decide they want to come back, give me a holler. Shout out to Jose, man. Always coming through with the trailer, and I'm really trying to get them back out at the track because if you guys seen the video of the RIP CRX making over 500 horsepower, that's one of their cars, and I want Jose to get his car up and going so we can get that back out to the track, kind of, you know, get a vibe for the racing scene again. And Jose, if you're watching, bro, let's get it, man. So we're back home right now, and my car didn't turn on while I was gone, and my cousin over here is looking at my map a little bit. He noticed that it looks pretty stock for some reason, and he did get it to turn on a second ago. My tuner is going to remote in for me in just a minute here to see if he can kind of figure out what's going on with my car. Before jacking it up, before tinkering with, you know, the drive shaft and all that, the car did turn on, run, and drive. You guys probably seen that in the last video. But today, the day we're supposed to be leaving for track, it doesn't want to turn on. So Joe brought some stuff for me to clean my driveway, and he's claiming that it's what do you say, 30 seconds, no joke, 30 seconds. That if you pour this on the floor, removes dirt, grimes, and oil, that it'll remove 30 seconds. Power steering, no, this is not power steering, this is automatic transmission fluid. And he said he'll bet me, but I ain't got no money, so I'm just gonna go ahead and bet him ghost money and shit.
Keep it a lifetime. Keep it a lifetime.
Yeah, it's lifetime. For sure. Damn, fresh bottle of water.
I'm gonna drink it. $30 seconds yet?
Why? Like 10 minutes already. No, still looks pretty dirty.
Hey, SpongeBob 1 hour later.
So what I had remembered was I was using this laptop in that car in 2018, and I was like, hold on a second, it's not the new laptop that has the old map. And I found my bag sitting right there, and then I went over here and opened up K Manager to find literally my old maps sitting on here. So right here we have, you know, 5/5/2018. That's 1:22 in the morning. We were street tuning that night before I left to SoCal, you know, at 4 in the morning. And Jeremy had saved my old map right here, and then street tuned my car with the new motor that same night at 2:50 a.m. And then when I drove over to Redding, my car had a lot of issues going up to Redding, and Miller had actually made his own map. And this map right here, 6/16/2018 at 10:09 p.m. That's pretty much the map that's been in my car since up to date. And Daniel pretty much grabbed all the dead times from here, 1600cc gram injectors, and the car finally turned on. So the issue with my car is that the ECU is reading 49 miles an hour standing still, and my two-step doesn't work. But we got Jeremy right here logging in from Hawaii, checking out the map, and see what kind of adjustment he can make or whatever he can do to help this car run a little bit better and set up the two-step. If we can't get the two-step worked by, you know, speed sensor, we're probably going to hook it up to the e-brake handle, because I need two-step.
Okay, let's move.
Good thing Paco saw this before Dana pulled up his car. Woo! That motherfucker is sharp.
All right, guys, so the wagon is loaded. Now we are headed to the storage to grab the rest of the slicks and then gas, meet up with Alan, pick up Ricky's car, and we're off to Sacramento. Oh no. Oh no. Where are you leaking from? What the? Anyways, back at the storage here, guys. We're gonna grab all the slicks, get them all aired up. So we're gonna be bringing the 23s, which is this one and those three. Pick, this your first time pumping E85 or what?
Oh, hell yeah.
Not only is getting a tank, but damn, boy. Man, E85, what is it? $2.75 a gallon? You need to go E85 on your shit. Do that VTEC head swap and then we'll go E85.
Oh, I got.
Why you shit face wasted on your daughter's birthday? Huh? No, my miss.
It's a long day.
Oh, it's been a long day.
It's been way
Tomorrow's gonna be even longer.
So we're gonna try mob out at 6
You
in the
guys.
morning.
But I'm taking your car today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Are you guys staying for a minute, or are you just saying?
No, we gotta go. We got too many trailers.
Oh.
Shoot, I'm just gonna hand pick it all the way to Sacramento because I ain't eaten nothing yet. So that's cool. I'll just grab it. For sure. Thank you. Man, it loaded over here for Ricky's daughter's birthday. Joe with the shrooms.
God, I can't even get him in.
Man, we got 1, 2, trailer, 3, 4. I'm driving Ricky's car. 5, 6 in trailer, blocking the whole damn street. Cause it's about to be a black party. Ooh. I am so out of it right now. I had to stop over at the gas station to get some snacks and drinks because I was falling asleep. Everybody is already like should have passed me already. We are about 55 miles into our trip, and we got to make 120 in order to get to the hotel. So let's get back on the road, guys. I am so mad right now. Literally stuck the GoPro to the window, turn it on. If you guys have been following me long before the G7X, I've been having a lot of issue with the GoPro. As soon as you hit the record, it actually freezes. I hit the record button, literally all of Sunrise Boulevard. It's a long stretch, couple of miles, and like nobody around. And I made a lot of pulls in Ricky's car. And when I got to the light to turn the GoPro off, sucker was frozen. I don't think I got any footage for it, which sucks, but we're all here. We made it safe and sound. We got the coupe, the DB1, Joe's car, Kevin's car, and then we got Tiger's car and my car right here in the back. Not sure what's gonna ensue the rest of the night, but know that we are gonna be chilling here. It's the reason why we came to Sacramento on Saturday. Hang out, chill, probably go find a store to get some food for tomorrow. And I think we already checked into our hotel, so we'll probably see you guys inside.
Ready? Let's roll.
Where's the tooth fairy? Who needed a tooth fairy? Your sister? That one?
Let's go.
Well, you better start putting that teeth under the pillow so you can start getting paid, you feel me?
Guys, we are in a hotel. We just unloaded everything. And because we got here a little early than we normally do, we're actually gonna get something to eat right now because they still got a full menu, and there's my phone. Guys, I know y'all been asking about merches and stuff like that. We are definitely stocking up on the website, so hang tight. Once we get all the new stuff coming, we will update the website, guys, so y'all stay posted for it. Tomorrow, Paco, new records for some. Alan, Joe, 12 tomorrow.
Hey, the most important thing is, no matter what happens,
Bruh, why is your shit looking so good right now?
I don't know, because I told him to make it good.
Oh. What is that, Joe? Tell me a little bit what you got right there.
this is called the steak frites with some compound butter,
Compound butter.
some potatoes fried in duck fat.
I'll get a piece of that, right? Cool,
Yeah,
thank
you
you.
wanna try it?
Nah, thank you. Thank you. I got calamari because I'm basic as hell. You feel me? That look good though. Everybody else? Not sure, but I'm gonna get a piece of everybody else's food too because I'm G like that.
Look, she's right there.
Ah, I caught you blue-handed, cut. Guys, I am super stuffed. Literally had like a piece of everybody's meal at the dining table.
You didn't have mine.
I know, but y'all was too far at the other end of the table, that's why. So, steak, pizza, mozzarella sticks. Man, we got cheesecake. Joe got me a cheesecake. God damn, that done. What's cheesecake? Cheesecake. So half the squad right now is at the store. They're getting all of the food, utensils, everything for the track tomorrow. And you know, they should be back here any minute. I think. What did you just tell them to buy?
Some tequila.
Ooh. What's that song? What's the tequila song y'all?
When I taste tequila.
The kids know this damn song.
Oh, my dad was playing it earlier.
Yeah, so we're probably gonna cap this video out when the guys get back. I'm gonna get text. I just turned off my phone and turned it back on. Check us out.
Oh, damn, that's crazy.
It's not done yet. Hold on. It's not done yet. Hold on. We are at 24. This is the whole day today, and right now it's 11:41. I literally just turned my phone back on.
It's blown up.
Where you at?
That one?
You guys been missing this on the channel right here, the Turbo CRV GSR. Boy got some suspension, some big old tires on this car. Look at that fool. Look at that intercooler in the front though. Look at that.
Everybody, it's Dustin Lynch, and I have a new song called Found This House.
To a successful day tomorrow.
Okay, so, oh my gosh, you're
You heard?
You're
I'll sleep here.
cheers. The Heinz. Salud.
That Ehu hair, oh my god, I love that.
Oh my god. She wanted to braid my hair, so I said, you know what? Haven't had braids in a while, so go for it. You know, we always carry extra hair ties, so
I always think of
kind of works out.
too much with the fucking
I love two. Two is perfect.
Motherfucking French braid.
Yeah.
And
I'm gonna go fast tomorrow. Thank you for that. Oh shit.
Oh my god. You spilled half the
Can I go fast too?
She bumped into my arm though. And she's helping me because I don't drink, so you feel me? We're not gonna, this is pretty much the end of our night, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna have a very long day. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna cheers to it. Hopefully everybody hit a personal best. Hopefully everybody have fun.
I'll take my 400 and I'll fuck
Paco.
this shit.
Oh, y'all just filling me back up. That's bull.
Have some more.
Oh, can I have some more? Oh, I don't
Cheers,
drink,
bro.
but I do for y'all, man.
Hey, do for first track event for me.
To everybody, just go in the race tomorrow. Good luck. You guys want to stick around? Shoot!
Boy.
If you guys want to stick around, oh, shit! Who made me drink this? I'm dying here.
Come.
Shit!
Here, drink some sparkling.
And you gonna try to feed me some sparkling water, bro? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys want to stick around for the race video tomorrow, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.